Okay squad, what we did was we built our guest computer, and what we wanted to really touch base on is your size of your case. Your size of your case is gonna let you have those bigger graphics cards, those higher dollar amounts if you want. Because the lower tier, those micro cases don't always house the 3090s or the 4090s. This gentleman went with the AMD Radeon 6950 XT, wanted to choose the Corsair 4000 series, which was amazing. We recommend 4000, 5000, 7000 for all of that airflow, all of that space for those higher performing parts. If you ever need any help with that, we will go out of our way just to make sure that you know what's going on, or you just bring it to us and we'll build it for you, simply enough. Call us 281-647-9977.